this is what we came up with. I think this is a great solution, and I did not put it all together. I put it almost all together. So it has a base and it has a shelf here on the bottom. Then it has the brackets to hold a shelf. You all see what it is, right? A door. I am going to paint it just an ivory color, okay? I'm gonna paint it Waverly chalk paint, the color ivory. Let me put the shelf on it first before I make this. Is the Stick Fast CA Thick. It is on my link tree in my Amazon shop. I am going to attach this shelf right here. Y'all, look at how cute that is. It sits up so nice. Okay, now, but every door needs a wreath. So, this, I want to paint this gold. I know that. So we've got those painted. We're just going to set them over here to the side. We're going to use some Totally Dazzled with this wreath that comes with the door. So this little wreath comes with the door, okay? This piece of wood, I think we should paint this piece of wood gold while we have these drying. We're going to make the frame gold. Okay, so see, we painted it gold. Now let's finish doing this. We're going to focus on just the crystal. We're going to look at it with just crystals. We're going to look at it with crystals and pearls, and we're going to look at it adding some of the check to it. And so here's the gold. The gold door and knob. That's what we're looking at. Look, you guys! Look at that Totally Dazzled. Let me eyes and look at the doorknob. You guys!
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.